Hi, I'm Ruva. I just took part in the level 3 mentoring training, and I think it went fantastic. Because having been a mentee and now training to be a mentor, I can really see the full picture of things, and I can really see the method behind the training and the advice that we've been given and the training that we've been given. It sort of solidifies it for me now, and I feel like I've just learned a lot more knowledge, and I feel like I have a deeper understanding of the impact that mentoring can really have, and techniques that makes mentoring instead of it being befriending or coaching. So it's been a really great 3 days, really packed, and I've really got to challenge myself as well. I would highly recommend this course to anyone who's interested in mentoring, because it goes really in depth about how mentoring is used, and how to grow as a mentor and how to always deliver the best for our young people.